All right, guys. Hello, welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Playa Hermosa. Going to do a travel tour here. Talk about this incredible beach here in Guanacaste, 45 minutes outside of the Liberia International Airport. Just over this hill over here, we've got Playa Panama. And then over the next hill there, we've got Playas del Coco. Playa Penca's just right over there. We've done a video there before. If this is your first time joining, be sure to like this video, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video. We're traveling here in Costa Rica all the time, so new videos often of all the cool places you can see here in Costa Rica. So Playa Hermosa is a very good beach, one of the top beaches in Costa Rica. In fact, one of the nicest beaches for swimming here that you can see. A lot of people out here. We're here in 2024, early 2024 here. And the unique thing about this beach is that it's really good. The swimming's really good, the water's really good, and there's a lot of accommodations around here. So the first thing we're going to start with is a drone video so we can check out what it looks like from the sky. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that drone video of Playa Hermosa here in Costa Rica. So the first thing you can do here at Playa Hermosa, of course, is relax on the beach. It's a perfect beach for relaxing. The tide leaves a lot of land and area to sit, whether it's high tide, low tide. The swimming's great. Now down here at this end, this is the north end of the beach down here. This is where a lot of people will swim. It's calmer down here. It's pretty cool. Bring a lawn chair, but there's tons of restaurants along the beach strip here. And there's like hotels and stuff here as well, some small boutique hotels. Drop a comment if you want me to link where some of those accommodations options are. You can see this is great swimming for little kids and everybody, little babies are in the water. You can go walk out to the tide pool. There's another beach way down around that corner. It's pretty cool to check out. So that's the first thing you can do here that's really great, is relaxing on the beach. A lot of people like doing that. But the second thing is, of course, jet skiing. Jet skiing is super fun. So we're here, it's really busy. We managed to get a jet ski for an hour. It was, I think, about $90 they wanted for an hour, and that was negotiating. The asking price was $100. So you can expect to pay about that. If it's low season, you can probably get it for less. But when they're in demand, $100 is probably going to be the going rate. So let's go check out some jet skiing here at Playa Hermosa. Snorkeling down here at the north end. Now this is not the best time to snorkel. The tide's kind of going out. You can see at high tide these rocks are all covered, so that's the best time. But right now is the time that I'm here, so I'm going to go out regardless and see what kind of fish we can see. And here's the snorkel set that I'm using. I'm going to put a link down below in the description for one that you can get that's very similar. This is unavailable. This is custom. My custom snorkeling rig. So let's Hey, there he goes, there he goes. Okay guys, so here's a little hidden beach here. It's hard to get to the beach unless you do what these guys are doing, just jump in. You can see you can go down there. We're down here now at the farthest north end of the beach, across the tide pool. So at high tide this will all be covered. So once again, that's probably the best time to snorkel here, because then all the fish come in pretty close, and it's when tide's coming in I find is easier to snorkel. So if you enjoyed that video from right here at Playa Hermosa in Guanacaste, be sure once again to like this video, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, turn on the bell notification so you're notified when we upload a new video during our many travels here in Costa Rica. And thanks for watching. Bye now.